I know you. You're stuck. Stuck in the vast wilderness of YouTube, trapped in its wasteland where the algorithm has turned its back on you.
I'm not crying, you're crying.
But fear not, because I combed through hundreds of videos on YouTube on how to get more views, and in this video I have compiled all the best tips just for you. So first things first, you need to understand one important metric: impressions click-through rate. To view this, you can go into your YouTube studio and then analytics and then click on content. According to YouTube, the average rate is between 2 and 10%. This is a good target to set for your own channel. And if you have a high impression click-through rate, but your watch time hours are low, then your thumbnails are probably already good, but you may need to start focusing more on the quality of your videos. Okay, so if your impressions click-through rate is low, then try this. This method literally flips the switch: reverse content creation. Instead of following the conventional path when making your videos, you are going to start off with a thumbnail, then title, and only then will you start creating your video. The reason we should do this is because it focuses us to create an engaging and effective thumbnail, which is the first point of contact you have with your viewers. You could have the best video in the world, but if no one clicks on it, there is no hope for your video. When you're crafting your thumbnail, you must focus on evoking strong emotions from the viewers. And the most powerful emotion to target is curiosity. You can even combine curiosity with another factor to create a super strong thumbnail. This technique will make your videos even more clickable. Let's dive into an example. Take a look at this thumbnail and title on the screen right now, and then compare it to this other one. Which one do you think is more likely to be clicked? If you guess this one, then you're absolutely right. The key factor here is the element of time constraint. People are eager to know whether what they're about to watch will truly be worth their while and provide them with the best value for the time they invest in watching it. You can even try going one step further and crowd test both your title and thumbnail. What better way to find out if your audience will watch your video than to ask them? For example, you can create an image poll asking them which thumbnail they would click on or which title makes them more likely to click on. This also creates a sense of community with your subscribers because you are taking the time to make decisions based on what they want. Okay, so now that you have the perfect thumbnail and title, your video's introduction plays a vital role in retaining your viewers' attention. Think about it as your video's hook, a compelling snippet that grabs your audience curiosity right from the start. The hook should tie into the promise made by your thumbnail and title. And remember that viewers will click off your video if they feel that you don't provide any value to them. You should try to include transitions, graphics, and sound effects to keep your viewers' attention. You want your video to boost your watch time and deliver value quicker. Ask yourself if you would still be watching after your intro. If the answer is yes, then you probably have a winner. But wait, if you have a small channel, go into your YouTube studio and look at the audience retention metric for your videos. Look at the spikes as well as the dips to work out the best ways to keep your audience engaged. After all, YouTube's main goal is for your video to have a high watch time, because the more time people spend on your video, the more opportunity there is for them to make money through ads. Moving on, another key tip for boosting your views is to have a well optimized homepage. Take a look at this metric right here, the subscription source of your channel. Are your subscribers arriving through search results, your YouTube watch page, or perhaps your YouTube channel page? This data enables you to tailor your content accordingly. For instance, if a significant portion of your subscribers are originating from search results, refining your video titles, descriptions, and tags for better search visibility becomes more important. On the other hand, if social media is driving your subscriptions, you might want to enhance your social media engagement. And if your YouTube channel homepage is a key source, then you're going to have to create a decent homepage. Your homepage serves as the virtual front door to your content, setting the tone for what your viewers can expect from your channel. Just as a clean and inviting physical space can attract people, a well organized and visually appealing homepage can entice visitors to explore your videos further. Consider your homepage as a curated showcase of your best and most relevant content. It should also provide a clear overview of your niche, allowing viewers to quickly understand what your channel is all about. Use eye catching visuals, concise titles, and thoughtful categorization to guide your audience through your content. By making your homepage user friendly and aesthetically pleasing, you are not only increasing the chances of viewers staying longer on your channel, but are also encouraging them to subscribe and return for more. Okay, so you've done all of this so far and are thinking about driving traffic to your videos from other websites and socials. Well, according to my research, that is not always a good thing. You see, what many people don't realize is that YouTube's algorithms and search mechanisms already play a significant role in promoting your content. When you upload a video, YouTube assesses its relevance, quality, and engagement potential. This means that focusing on creating compelling content that aligns with your target audience's interests and ensuring viewer engagement are sometimes more important than promoting your videos on social media. Overloading external platforms with your video links might not always yield the desired results and can even be seen as spammy. But hey, if using external traffic works for you, then great. YouTube is definitely not an exact science. Next tip, you can boost your YouTube views by boosting your audience's engagement. Inserting a mid video hook is a fantastic technique for this. Consider pausing the main content to ask a general knowledge question related to your video's topic. Ask the viewer to give you the answer in the comments. This sparks curiosity and encourages viewers to leave a comment on your video page, which will give you more points in the eyes of the YouTube algorithm. If YouTube sees that a bunch of people are commenting and interacting with your video, they're more likely to push your videos out more. Here's an example. For instance, if you're showcasing travel destinations in your video, pause and ask something like, "Do you know which country is home to the world's tallest waterfall?" Then continue with the main content before asking the viewer to leave the answer in the comments. Even mentioning to them that they should subscribe to your channel because you make really interesting, beginner friendly videos to do with finance and YouTube. Okay, that might have been specific to my channel, but this simple trick can keep your audience engaged and increase your watch time at the same time. But here's the most important tip. If you are a small channel, the most important thing you can do is not give up. Giving up means that you will never have any chance of being successful on YouTube. I know this sounds cheesy, but every upload, every interaction, and every effort you put into your channel is a step closer to realizing your YouTube dreams. Sometimes all it takes is one video.